This is the cutest, most comfortable vanity chair by Yaheetech. We were sent this for our honest review. All of the parts were wonderfully packaged and very easy to assemble. The legs have this nice golden or brass color to it with the adjustable foot pads, which makes it perfect for any type of surface. Our daughter has a very small room and it fit perfectly. However, you could use this in the bathroom, at a vanity, in a living room, or even in a home office. Don't let this chair deceive you. It may not look super plush, but you will be very surprised at the level of comfort that this provides. The seat cushion is filled with high density foam and the fabric is soft and velvety. I love that you can easily remove the seat cushion cover in case your seat gets dirty. We move this chair up and down the stairs without any issues because it's super lightweight. If you're looking to spruce up an area in your house with a chair, you'll definitely want to grab this one.